All right, I think Mother Nature has gotten the memo across West Texas. The first couple of weeks of August are typically the hottest weeks of the summertime here in our area, and I think this week will be one of the hotter weeks of the summer so far. But this morning, starting off on the mild side with clear skies, temperatures pretty much uniformly into some of those middle 70s, a nice sunrise out towards Big Spring for our Monday morning. My weather headlines for today, it's going to be very hot, calling highs into the upper 90s and lower 100s. Small chance, though, for a couple of those showers and storms later on today. Later on this week, though, the heat dome really gets its act together, and it's going to shut down rain chances for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and that'll continue as we go into this weekend. Should be a beautiful weekend, maybe a little bit cooler, with some clouds moving in for the upcoming weekend. No clouds out there this morning. We did see a few of those clouds just to the south of Alpine for this morning. Nothing really to write home about. And as we kind of look over the whole state of Texas, really much of the Contra Valley and the Big Country is fairly quiet, but we do have this fairly large complex of showers and storms that have moved through the DFW area. But we do have these severe thunderstorm warnings posted for Hill, Limestone, McLennan, and Navarro County through about, say, 7 o'clock this morning. So wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour and also some quarter-size hail as this moves off to the southeast at about 30 to 35 miles an hour. Across the state of Texas with that rain-cooled air, temperature feeling nice in Dallas this morning, right around 70 degrees. They're starting to dry out behind that complex. 78 in Houston and 78 into San Antonio. San Angelo this morning, right around 73, and then Pecos at about, say, 69. Small chance for some of those showers and storms today, though. That complex up towards DFW should continue to move off towards the south and east. Not really expecting much influence from that, but right around 6, 7 o'clock this evening, could see about a 10 to 20% coverage for some of these showers and a few heavy downpours as well later on this evening. Those stand out tonight, and we'll see another small flare-up as we go into Tuesday afternoon, about a 10 to 15% coverage for Tuesday. But heading into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, high pressure really starts to get its act together. Here's Thursday and into Friday. But notice on Friday, it does try to shrink just a little bit. That could be enough to bring in some clouds and slightly cooler temperatures as we go into our Saturday and Sunday. For today, though, we're forecasting highs into the triple digits, right around 101 into Midland and Odessa. 107 will be the warm spot today into places like Pecos, about 105 into Balmorhea, 97 this afternoon into Abilene, and about, say, 98 into our friends off towards San Angelo. And my full 7-day forecast across West Texas, really not too shabby. 98 for San Angelo today, 97 in Abilene, middle to upper 90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right around 100 as we go into this weekend. And same deal through the Permian Basin. I think the hottest day of the next 7 will be on Friday, forecasting highs right around 101 by Friday afternoon.